Everything you do, they copy you. You are an influencer for sure. This individual cannot stop copying you. It's almost as if spirit has come and intervened and said, listen, you need to stop this because this is getting weird. Hence why we got the death card in the reverse. They're not listening to their guides. They're refusing to stop trying to bite your style. They can't help themselves. They mimic your energy. They mimic your essence. Any gesture that you do, right? They copy it. If you, for instance, are a person whereby if you go out with your friends for a drink after work and they're part of your friend group and you always say, what are you having? Do you want this? Do you want that? Okay, I'll get the drinks in. They're not usually that person to act in this manner, right? All of a sudden, they're copying you when they're out with these same friends, when you're not there, and in some cases when you are there, which is a bit weird and shouldn't be doing it anyway, but they there's nothing wrong in asking people what do they want to drink, right? That just shows that you're kind, right? It ain't one of them. This is more of copying your mannerisms, your speech, the way that you walk. See how this man's holding his chest and holding the cup. You may laugh like that. You may put your hand on your chest when you laugh or when you smile or when you say thank you. This person's doing the same thing. It's just weird. For some of you, they could be copying your style of dress. You may like to wear smart shirts. All of a sudden, they're wearing smart shirts. All of a sudden, they have copied your whole attire. Maybe you like wearing suits, waistcoats. And they were into that type of style before. They were more casual. But they've seen the looks that you get. And to them, you just look very sophisticated. So they're copying your style. They're very drawn to you. They see how other people are drawn to you too. They find you to be very exuberant, abundant, shiny, sparkly, high vibrational. They want to appear in the same way, and they possibly do, but they feel like there's something lacking within their reality. And what's actually lacking in their reality is that they're not happy. And to them, you just seem like life is a breeze, that you sleep peacefully at night, that you have a lot of spiritual authority, spiritual protection, spiritual wisdom, and it makes them feel uncomfortable. And they feel like with your actual essence, you are going to gain so much abundance, so much blessings. And you have. You have overcome many adversaries. And for some of you, they're actually jealous of your strength. Some people could be jealous of someone's strength, which is a bit weird. They're jealous of the fact that you have overcome so much and you're still achieving. Some of you have achieved major wins. Some of you are high achievers, right? And I also feel like some of you could be recognized in the public eye. For some of you, this person is recognized. This person could also be very sought after. This person could be popular. You could be popular. Here, you could be a popular loner, but this individual feels like if they get your popularity, even if they're popular themselves, right? They're selfish, right? They're thinking, if I get your popularity too, that will make me more better than you. That will make me more powerful than you. So they're trying to rival you for your popularity, despite the fact that they are very sought after, very popular in their own right. It's like they don't want you to have anything because they feel like you've got something over them. They feel like you radiate queen energy, king energy, and you do have this essence of a goddess. You do have a lot of class and regalness. And there's also an energy of this person trying to copy your mannerisms. Again, it's coming up. If you are a female listening to this, there's the energy of this person trying to copy your mannerisms. So you have a lot of dignity, right? So this person's now trying to have a lot of dignity, and they are trying to be noble. There's something about maybe the way that you speak, the way that you, I feel like it's the way that you move, the way that you act when you are out in public. You hold yourself with a lot of grace. A lot of people respect you. You're very classy. So this person's trying to come across as very classy. They could try and there's a strong energy here of them trying to copy your mannerisms. It could be in regards to the way you speak, the way you dress, the way you carry yourself, most definitely, because you could attract certain opportunities to you. They've seen the way that people react to you based off how you carry yourself. So they connected the dots. If I carry myself in this way, then people will treat me in the same way, because they may feel like they're not treated fairly. I don't know why the camera's doing that, guys. They may feel like people don't respect them. They're treated like a joke. And people respect you. And they could be pocket watching you as well. Some of you could be on social media, or they watch you constantly on social media. This is the person that copies what you do on social media. So say you are starting to influence, you're starting to do videos or vlogs or something of that sort, or you're selling products. They're doing the same thing as you. There's nothing wrong with that, but in the same way. So there is something wrong in that, because they feel like there's only one star of the show. This could be someone that's in your friend group. This could be someone that's in the same group, club, organization as you, someone at work, someone who is on social media that's doing the same thing as you as well. But I feel like this person just keep copying you. You know, if you dance in a certain way, they dance in a certain way when you're out clubbing. If you listen to a certain artist or music, all of a sudden they're listening to the same artist as well. It's like they haven't got their own mind, because they are obsessed. You are an influencer for sure. And it's like this person wants to rip the crown off your head. They want to dethrone you. That's what I'm picking up. They want to dethrone you. Say, for instance, you date a certain caliber of man. All of a sudden, they're interested in that same caliber of man or female. Say you are into same gender connections. All of a sudden, they want to experiment. Like, it's just weird. So Spirit is saying to keep away from this person. You got a fan for sure, right? Keep shining. Keep pouring into you, and pay them no mind. You know, starve this person. You know, but you know, if you are on social media, if you are artists of any kind, you're going to be posting, right? They're going to see your, you know, what you're going to do. Spirit is saying keep quiet about your next move, and also move in silence. If you feel like you've got snakes in the camp that's going to tell them about your next move, then those snakes may need to go. But I feel like whatever you do, this person's going to keep copying you, because they're obsessed with you. But I will say keep a healthy distance away from this person. They're a fan. They could be a fan from a distance. You are the person of the sign Scorpio, Pisces, Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, Libra, Taurus, Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, Scorpio, Aquarius again, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. And we also got Gemini here as well, and we've got Leo again and again, and we've got other signs which I will use for another reading, because I don't like the way this camera's looking. But guys, this is just a heads up. Maybe Spirit wants this reading to be quick, to say it's not really a threat. You know, the camera's come back. What do you know? You've definitely got a fan here, because they see you as original. They see you as exciting, eccentric. They want to be viewed in the same way. But when people become obsessed with you like this, it can get a bit weird, because, you know, an infatuation can turn into hate. And this person, they are consumed with your energy, okay? I'm hearing there's a love-hate feeling that they got. You know what it is as well for some of you? I feel like they see the way that you are loved. Some of you definitely could be in the public eye. You could be known for a skill or a talent. And this person could be in the public eye, or they want to be in the public eye. And even if they are in the public eye, they feel like they're not as loved as you are, because there's a roughness to their energy is what I'm picking up. And they see you and they feel like, why don't people treat me in the same way? Because there's a certain class that you have that this person lacks. And you are original in whatever that it is that you do. You are original, you do stand out. And I feel like this person, they don't stand out. They blend in, they copy other people. But you are like, you know, the standard of what they want to be like. But they feel to themselves that if they can master you better than you, then they will make a lot of bank, then they will be sought after, then they will get the love that they always wanted. But they just keep, they feel like they lack ideas. They feel like they're not seen as exciting as you. They're not as dynamic as you. They're not as, that's the thing with them. They feel like they can't keep up with you because you're always on to the next one. So even if they feel like they're copying you, right, you're always doing something different, and they lose a lot of energy trying to copy you, and they feel like they lack the spark that you have to come up with these ideas, to be exciting, etc. But there's something about your love life, it's like, this is the type of person that will try and, it's like Single White Female, that film, but it's also, this person wants to, humble you in a certain way. Strength card in the reverse. So if you like a certain type and they don't necessarily like that certain type, they would date that type because you like that type, or they will try and date the person that you're dating because you like that person. So it's like they want the person to think they're better than you. If you listen to a certain type of music, I'm picking up Neptunian energy. Neptune does actually rule like music and film. They all of a sudden now, they're a fan of that artist that you love, or it's happened to me, and it's like really weird, right? All of a sudden they're playing the same exact songs, and you're like, what? You don't even like this genre of music, like what's going on? I'm not saying music is only for one person, but it's like if it's the same as that song that you were playing the day before, and they're playing it when you've left the house, and then they're shouting it and screaming it like they're trying to show you levels, then that's weird, right? But yeah, I feel like this person is that type of energy, and they want to appear charming and sensual because they feel like you have a lot of offers, a lot of people like you. I feel like you're also the type of person that has people from the same gender finding you attractive, maybe wanting to date you, and also people from the opposite gender. So even if it's not in a romantic sense, they see that people from your gender, opposite gender, they like you as a person. Like you've got friends from the same gender, and they also, I feel it's also them feeling like you can gain partners from different backgrounds as well. So you're universally appealing to this individual. So they want to be universally appealing. So they will do the most. They'll be loud. They will, possibly try and sabotage you in some way because they want to be seen as the standard. They want to be seen as the most fierce of them all. So they will possibly, if it's someone that is a friend, a family member, something of that sort, they will hijack certain opportunities for you so that you don't get to express yourself, so that no one sees you, so that they are the star of the show, is what I'm picking up. Because they want to be crowned the queen, the king. They don't want it to be you. They feel like you've got too much going on for you and it's not fair. You've got this pizzazz, this sparkly, regal type energy. You got a winner's mentality. And they don't, because they're always guessing. They're always, what should I do next? And that's why they've targeted you, because they feel like you've got it all figured out and you're trying just like the rest of us. So yeah, you got yourself a fan. And Spirit is saying, just keep staying 10 steps ahead. Don't really interact with this person if you see them, or if you don't have to see them, don't really interact with them. Don't really tell them what's going on in your life. Obviously, if you're on social media, that's part of your role, or whatever the case is. Like, maybe some of you may have to consider putting your social media on private for some of you if it's that severe. But for others of you, I feel like, whatever you do, post it afterwards. because this is the type of person that will quickly go to that restaurant that you're going to, or all of a sudden they're starting the same hobby you've done and they will post it, so like they, you know, it's just like very weird, because like I said, they feel like you're a trendsetter. Nobody do it better, but I had to say that. But yeah, on the real, like they just feel like you're exciting, you live this exciting life, and they want to appear exciting too, and they feel like you're spoiling it for them. If only they are seen and viewed the way you are seen and viewed, then their life will be perfect in their view. Really? Okay, it all starts from within. They've got to correct what's within, and that's another thing why they're trying to copy you. The thing is, if they really, really want to copy you, they need to really do the work, because you're doing the work, you've done the work, right? And that's why you've got to this space where you are gaining your blessings, and they feel like, why are you gaining all your blessings? Why can't that be me? But you haven't done the work. You haven't looked at why you are obsessed with people as well. Why you're obsessed with people's life, and why you're not choosing to heal. Okay, so that's another story. But yeah, you got yourself a fan here. Keep shining as per usual. And I'll speak to you soon. Peace out.